Alright, this is target 1D angles. So adding angles, so angle addition postulate, angle bisectors, complementary and supplementary. So this gives us the measure of angle CAG. So this angle, whoa, got out of control there. This is angle CAG. And my advice to you is that you trace these angles so you know where they are. And we know that that's 27. And GAE, that's these two right here. Those are 88. And we're looking to find CAE, which is a whole big angle. So this is the angle addition postulate. It's part plus part equals whole. Or the first angle plus the second angle equals the big angle. So 27 plus 88, 15, carry the 1 would be 10, 115 I believe. So 80 and 20 is 100 and 7 and 8 is 15, yeah, so 115. Okay, and these angles are also, and we're going to use this in a second, a linear pair, because they have a shared side, this is that really dark side, and a shared vertex, angle A. So they're a linear pair. Sorry, not linear pair, they're adjacent angles, because they have a shared side and a shared vertex. So that's a linear, nonlinear pair. Those are adjacent angles. Okay, so DAB. So this time I'm tracing angle DAB. Okay, only I trace DAG, not DAB. So angle DAB. So angle DAB is the blue angle, and BAE is this red angle here. Okay, and notice that this makes a straight line right here. So because it makes a straight line, this is a linear pair. And supplementary, because straight lines add up to 180, and remember supplementary means add up to 180. They also have a common vertex and a shared side. So these are also adjacent. So these are adjacent, a linear pair, and supplementary. Okay, remember complementary adds up to 90, and vertical angles make an X. There's not an X in this picture. Well, there is an X, but not out of the blue and the red lines. Okay. So complementary are two angles that add to 90 degrees, and supplementary is two angles that add to 180. So that's the difference between complementary and supplementary. So for number 4, we're given two complementary angles, so that means they add up to 90. And the angles are 5x plus 7 and 2x minus 8. So they add up to 90. So combining like terms, 5x plus 2x is 7x, and 7 plus negative 8 is negative 1, and 90. Then I'm going to add 1, and I get 7x is 91. Divide by 7, I get 1, I believe 13. Let me just double check that. 91 divided by 7 should be 13. Divided by 7. Yep, 13. So x is 13. Let me get another color. I didn't think this out very well, but we'll do it over here. The measure of angle A we have to find, and the measure of angle B. So A is 5 times x, but x was 13, plus 7. So that'd be 65 plus 7, which is 72. Yep. And the measure of angle B is going to be 2 times 13 minus 8. So that would be 26 minus 8, which is 18. Now these are not equal, but they don't have to be, but they do have to add up to 180. So let's just double check that. 70, not 80, 90. 72 plus 18 is 72 and 8 is 80 and 10 is 90. So it checks. So 72 for A and 18 for B. Okay, for this problem, AF bisects angle CAD. So remember, bisects means cuts into 2 equal pieces. So AF bisects angle CAD. So this angle right here got cut by this line into 2 equal pieces. So those 2 pieces are equal. So FAC is 5x minus 10, and DAF is 2x plus 26, and they are equal. So I'm going to say 5x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 26. And to solve this, I'm going to subtract 2x, and I get 3x minus 10 equals 26, add 10, and I get 3x equals 36, divide by 3, and I get x is 12. So we found x, it said to find x, but it also said to find the measure of angle CAD. So CAD is a big angle, so to find that I'm going to have to plug in into each of the little angles. So 5 times 12 is 60, and 60 minus 10 is 50. So this should also be 50, but let's just double check. 2 times 12 is 24. So we have 24 plus 26. That's 40 and 50. Yeah, so 50. So CAD would be the two 50-degree angles added together. 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay, and lastly, we have angle FAE. So FAE is this red angle. And we know that that's 7x plus 13. And then we have this blue angle, BAG. So BAG is this right here. And notice this is a straight line, this is a straight line, so this is an x. And so when two angles make an x, then they are vertical angles. Sorry, this is 10x minus 11. So they're vertical angles, that means they're equal. So 7x plus 13 has to equal 10x minus 11. So I could subtract 7x, and I get 13, 10 minus 7 is 3x minus 11, add 11, and I get 3x is 4, 24, divide by 3, and I get that x equals 8. So now I'm going to plug that in. No, I'm just finding x. So x is 8. But I am going to just double check that. So to double check it, I'm going to plug it in and make sure I get the same answer. 10 times 8 minus 11 is 80. Minus 11 is 70, 69. And 7 times 8 plus 13, 56 plus 13, 66 and 3 is 69. Yeah, so they're equal. So 8 is correct. Okay, so then you have to show the following problems to either a math lab teacher, your geometry teacher, a geometry support teacher, or tutorial support teacher, and double check your answers to make sure they're right. And once you've prove that you know how to do it, you can do the retake. So good luck, and here are the problems. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good luck.